Hi, I'm Dr. Raesz with Advanced Chiropractic, and today I wanted to go over a question that I've come across. Is chiropractic care safe? And I want to use a simple analogy to help you understand that and help you to understand how safe chiropractic care actually is, especially whenever the chiropractor does things appropriately. Okay, so here's the analogy. So whenever you have a car, you have car insurance. And so whenever you're younger, like let's say you just turned 16, you got your car, you got your car insurance. Typically, car insurance for a younger driver, like a 16-year-old, is going to be higher than someone who's middle age. And the reason for that is the risk factor is much greater for a younger driver than someone who's been driving for a decade or more, right? Okay, so here's another part of that. So if somebody has a sports car or a very expensive car, the car insurance is going to be higher than somebody who has, a pretty normal vehicle that isn't super expensive. Then the car insurance is going to be less, right? So it's based on risk factor, and it's based on how much the insurance may have to pay out if an accident occurs. Okay, does that make sense so far? Malpractice insurance works the exact same way. So chiropractors have malpractice, medical doctors have malpractice. Now the difference in our malpractice versus just a general practitioner is about 1/3 of the cost. And the reason for that is, that means that we're not as big of a risk factor as a medical doctor, right? And then for surgeons, we're about 1/20th of the cost versus a surgeon. Okay, so that means if you're going in for a surgery, you have a greater risk of dying than coming to the chiropractor. Okay, so my point with all of that is, based on all these actuaries, they know how safe and how easy it is for chiropractors to take care of patients and keep them safe versus the medical profession. Okay. Now another stat I found is, just people who die from surgeries is over 250,000 a year, right? Well, chiropractors, that really doesn't ever happen with chiropractic care, and then earlier on in this video, I mentioned, it's really safe for chiropractors to do things appropriately. So what I mean by that is, if the chiropractor does a real thorough exam, if they've taken x-rays of the patient's entire spine, if they're reviewing the x-rays, going over the x-rays, the risk factor is even less for those chiropractors because they're actually doing an exam and taking the x-rays and studying it and seeing if there's any risk factors before they ever even treat the patient, okay? So here at our office at Advanced Chiropractic, that's what we do for our patients. We do a very thorough consultation. We do a thorough examination with orthopedic test, chiropractic test, neurologic test. We take x-rays of the entire spine. We don't even see patients that same day because we want to have time to go through the test, go through the x-rays, analyze them, and find out, hey, is chiropractic care really going to help this person? And if so, what do we need to do to fix their problems, get them healthy, get them out of pain, and help them to live the life of their dreams without drugs or injections or surgeries, which are way more risky to their health and to their life than chiropractic care. So my point in all this is, the question was, is chiropractic care safe? Chiropractic care is extremely safe, especially when the chiropractor does a real thorough exam and takes x-rays and goes over it, studies it, and goes over it with the patient. So if you have any questions or concerns, please email me, or you can talk to me about it at your next appointment. But hope you have a great day, a blessed day.